Hey, welcome back again for the AutoCAD next tutorial. I'm RK and you are watching RK Engineering Tech. So guys, today's topic we are going to discuss about how to convert drawing file into PDF form. So guys, let's start. First, I'm going to use command. This is the plot command or print command. Both of same. Let's see. Type PLO. First you enable this and type PLO and see this and press enter, and you have the one Windows box and this is the type PLOT plot, and you can use also as print PLI, and see this there is a both print and plot. So you have understood both of same. So press enter and you have this same setup, and there is have to manage some setting to convert drawing file into PDF. So first you have to do it drawing file to PDF format. So press on that, and after that they have a 4 option: display, extend, limit and windows. So first I'm going to take display. Then after that, not you have to change this drawing orientations have default, so I'm not going to change. Let's see the preview. And this is a preview. This is not okay. I think such have been mistaken. Some things have been mistaken. So right click and take exit. And what I have to change, let's see. We have to make this center at the plot. Alright. And after that, when you're gonna print, then you can change this paper, but I'm going to not print now, so it's a default setup. And let's see preview again. It's gonna change. It's on a center point. So as in such a way you can use this. And now I'm going to take this Windows setup. This is nothing but Windows setup. It's mean whatever I'm going to Windows setup, you have to select Windows which have to print. Let's set up this only, then press on, and after that I'm taking this Windows only, this. So see this preview, you have to only one door in PDF file. See this types of setup. So I hope you understood what's the difference between these 4 options. Windows, these 4 options, same extend and limit, same edge. When you use this, then you will understood generally. So thank you so much. In such a way you can convert drawing file into PDF file, and after that press OK. And you have to naming that, and this is our name, and press on save. You can change the name as you required, and this is the converting, and I've done it. And see this, wait please. This is our Windows design model which I've done by using the Windows. So in such a way you are going to use this command when you convert drawing file into PDF. So guys, thank you so much.